What's up guys? So we're back with another vlog. This time we're working on this cool 2013 Honda Accord. Unfortunately for my client, he had some rock chips on his bumper. It was something that I couldn't fix. I suggested him to West Kendall Collision. I told him to take it to them so they could paint the bumper. Let's wait a month, and then after that month, while the paint had already cured, we could go ahead and apply the paint protection film. We threw in the paint protection film on the trunk ledge in the back. And aside from all the paint protection film that we did, we went with a heavy cleaning on the interior. Our steam cleaning is very effective at lifting up the dirt, so like that we could easily clean it, and this way the hide opens up and we could actually protect it with our leather conditioner. Obviously we washed it, we prepped it for the paint protection film. Not only is it freshly painted, but it's also protected with 3M Scotch Guard film, the best warranty out there right now. The bumper should be the #1 priority that gets the paint protection film, because obviously it's the one that's more exposed to all the road debris. It sits lower and it gets all the bugs, it gets all the road debris, so the film being on there will definitely help. So if you want to get your front bumper done, please let us know. 786-370-7838. Peace.